This is Dr. Charles Keller. Prior to your glaucoma evaluation, we'd like to outline what we're going to do in your eye exam. We're going to outline your vision, any complaints that you have, and we're going to perform some regular glaucoma testing. Specifically, we check your visual field and we perform nerve scans, your eye pressure, and other technical parts of the eye. All these factors will be factored in as we look at the possibility of glaucoma. It takes about 90 minutes or 2 hours for your exam, and I'll go over all tests with you. During the visit, we'll discuss any other treatments if necessary at that point. Fortunately, we have lots of treatments available. At this point, we've got to advise you what condition you have, and many of my patients can be just suspects for glaucoma, but we like to go over your exam at that point. But the entire visit should help you tremendously as we advise the possibility of glaucoma.